Good evening, Livio, Regano. Tonight's weather. Cyclone Niren's making a fast getaway from the mainland, never to be seen again, which is lucky because it's now grown to Category 4. All coastal wind warnings have been cancelled, but a new pulse of cool, cloudy southeasterlies will reach the Sunshine Coast tomorrow. Tanawa and Sippy Downs had decent rainfalls up to 35 millimetres overnight. Yandina Creek scored 28 mils, not bad, and the airport had 22. Today's tops ranged from 27 degrees at the airport to 33 in Gympie. The March average along the coast is around 28, so we're pretty much on par, a little bit above. Satellite loop now, you can see the cyclone's just absolutely racing away. It's probably about the same intensity as Tracy was in 1974, so it's a powerful system, a well-defined eye. In the next 2 days, we won't see it anymore. It's going so quickly on a very defined path towards New Caledonia. Meanwhile, around here, you can see there's a lot of cloud in the north, but in the Sunshine Coast area, it's cleared up very quickly after the overnight showers that we had. Today's chart sort of explains why. We've got no isobarst pretty much, and that normally explains why we have no wind. It was a very still day and quite a warm one for that reason. But we saw this afternoon a few little build-ups of cloud, but you really need a good southeast wind to rise up the ranges to give us the sort of rain we normally get in summer, and it just isn't there. That'll change tomorrow, though. We've got a cold frontal passage, moves out to sea. Notice the southerly change that comes in behind it. It'll come as a surge in the morning, probably around 15 to 20 knots, and it will bring some showers. But if you look on the outlook chart, it will settle down on Sunday as the high sits almost on top of us, drops the wind again and cuts out the showers. So now the latest from the Weather Bureau, the boating forecast for Sunshine Coast waters. Southeast winds, like I said, picking up to 15 to 20 knots again tomorrow, but not for long. By Sunday afternoon, we'll be below 15 knots again, and on Monday, a swing to the northeast. We've got neap tides this weekend, happens once a fortnight on the half moon, and it means there's minimal water movement between high and low tide. The Southeast Coast District, 40% chance of showers and perhaps an afternoon storm inland. Maroochydore and Nambour, 27 degrees and Gympie 29, a little bit cooler. Looking ahead for Maroochydore now, nothing remarkable about temperatures in the coming week. It'll dry up quickly after tomorrow's brief pulse of wet weather, but showers will return from about Wednesday onwards. Tonight's happy snap was taken from the Noosa hinterland on the last morning of February. The outline of the fog layer is beautifully crisp, and you'll find scenes like this becoming more common as the autumn nights get longer and cooler. Thanks, Leanne Airy, for the photo. Have a fab weekend, one and all. Here's Robbie Sherwell with the Surf Report.
Thanks, Livio. Well, everything this weekend does depend on what that cyclone does up north, on how fast it tracks out to the southeast and how long it hangs around for. It is looking like we should have anywhere between 1 to 1.5 metres of swell over the weekend, anywhere between 9 and 11-second intervals. It's supposed to be easterly on Saturday, then a full southeasterly swell on Sunday. Now, we are expecting those winds to still be relatively light. Tomorrow up around that 15 to 18 knot mark, but then on Sunday only around that 10 to 12 knot mark. So, with the southeasters kicking in, it's going to be places like Moffat, Sticky Beach, also Alex, the Bluff Point, Cartwright, Maroochydore, the bays at Coolum, and the very outside points at Noosa. That's for surfing. For swimming, we've still got big inshore gutters and really strong rips right up and down our coastline. And remember, tragedies do occur on unpatrolled beaches. Only swim between the red and yellow flags. I hope you have a wonderful weekend across the coast beaches. Now it's back to you, Rob.
Wonderful, Robbie. Thank you, mate. You have a nice weekend. You have a terrific weekend. We'll catch you back Monday night. From the team, take care. Good night.
Tonight on 7 News, the AstraZeneca